Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The 7 Italy tractor mounted sprayer is designed for the application of plant protection products on crops. It attaches to the tractor via a 3-point hitch and uses a 600 mm fan to spray a fine mist of product mixed with water. With a 300-liter tank, it is suitable for covering large areas quickly. The steel frame, treated with hot dip galvanizing, ensures resistance to rust. It is ideal for applying fungicides, insecticides and herbicides on large fields, but it is important to follow safety regulations and responsible usage guidelines. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.